Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get some working Tractor Supply discount promo code in 2025, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on the tractorsupply.com official website where you can find some discount they are also offering on their official website, that is $100 off, 40% off up to like this, and 2 for $990. So $9.99 actually. Now from here you can find more of them, and you can find sale. This sale tab also help you to get this. From here you can find different types of sales, different types of deduction from this actual price here. Now some third-party website also can help you to get some exciting deals and discounts and coupon codes or the promo codes from here. Now here you can find the couponfollow.com/site/tractorsupply.com, and from here you can find the most updated coupon codes. Now it is verified, you can see, and you can find the details from here. Simply click on show promo code and you can find it, this reveal the code here. Now simply click on copy, and it has copied your entire, it will copy your entire code here, and you can use it whenever you can purchase something on Tractor Supply. Then another website is the retainnot.com/view/tractorsupply.com. If you follow this website, you can find this type of interface. This pop-up window is showing that 30% off sale items here, so you can shop at the, click on it, and it will let you go to official website where you can shop it in 30% off. And also you can find some deals and codes here. So you have to do is you can see the details about the code. Now simply click on show code and it will reveal the code. Here it is. Simply click on copy and you can use this code, and make sure that you have redeemed this code before the deadline is over or expired. It expired. Now the third website is simplycourse.com/store/tractorsupply.com, and from here you can find free shipping option here, that 99% success rate, and it is verified. And simply click on view code to get this code revealed. So here it is. Simply click on copy and you can use it on your Tractor Supplies.com, this website. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you have found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.